Scientists discover why honey is the best natural antibiotic. We can easily say that honey is one of the healthiest foods in the world? Well, yes, and we all know that honey has been used for centuries for its antibiotic properties. Many people around the world use honey every day, to improve their health, and to treat and prevent many different health problems. And today, we have some good news for you. A group of scientists finally confirmed the antibacterial abilities of honey. Antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties of honey alone make it more powerful than conventional antibiotics. Honey contains a protein made by the bees called defensin 1. It is the active germ-killing ingredient in honey. You can use honey bought topically and internally. So, when applied topically, honey can kill a wide range of pathogens such as MRSA and flesh-eating bacteria. It was also found that the treated bacteria did not build up any resistance like conventional antibiotics. The experts say that its effectiveness lies in its ability to fight infection on multiple levels, making it hard for bacteria to develop resistance. Susan M. Meschwitz, Ph.D., says that honey utilizes a combination of fighting methods such as an osmotic effect. How this works well, she also mentioned that this effect originates from honey's high sugar concentration. In this process, water is drawn from the bacteria cells, leaving the pathogens no choice but to dehydrate and die off. The famous biochemist, Peter Mullen, who studied extensively natural antibiotics such as honey for 25 years, says that Manuka honey is effective at killing even the most antibiotic-resistant bacteria even when it has been diluted to 1/10 of its original concentration. He said, "There's more evidence, clinical evidence, by far for honey in wound treatment than for any of the pharmaceutical products. And, you should also know that this super healthy ingredient is packed with probiotics, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's loaded with vitamin A, vitamin B2 or riboflavin B3 or nicotinic acid, B5 called pantothenic acid, vitamin C, biotin, and rutin. Honey also contains many minerals, including calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, iodine, and zinc. Honey is so powerful and effective at destroying bacteria that it should be the first choice of treatment when treating a bacterial illness. But, you should be very careful, because fake honey is everywhere. Yes, always buy raw honey, organic, because the heating during manufacturing destroys nutrients and enzymes. Additionally, locally grown raw honey from the area you live is more beneficial as it possesses the immune-stimulating properties needed for your body to adapt to its environment. We really hope you find this article helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.